Hi, I'm Dan Warner, and today is Tutorial Tuesday. And today we're going to be talking about how to slate. So let's get on it. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. I've been a full-time actor for over 20 years. I've shot over 80 television shows and films and done over 120 TV commercials. I've been teaching a commercial acting workshop for over 7 years. If you're new to this site, just click the subscribe button there so you don't miss any of my tutorials or tips on acting or on-camera confidence. And stay to the end because I'm sure there's going to be some hilarious bloopers. You know, I get asked in the classes that I teach, how important is the slate? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how important it is and exactly how to execute a great slate, to put your best foot forward. Your slate is an introduction, and a lot of actors don't really pay too much attention to the slate. Well, I think that's a giant mistake. Other than the introduction and introducing yourself, it also gives the people who are making the decisions whether or not to hire you more information about you, and it also gives them a reason to watch or not watch the rest of your audition. The agency, the client, and the director, who ultimately are hiring you, have to pour over anywhere between 50 and 300 auditions in a day. So obviously, any reason to skip over someone's entire audition usually is a pretty good reason. I think the slate should have elements of a warm, nice, good energy introduction, almost like you're meeting someone that you're excited to meet at a party or an event. Here's an example of a good slate. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. See, nothing fancy, just great eye contact with the camera, nice, genuine, warm, smile, not over the top, but pleasant and confident. Because let's face it, other than your headshot, this is your first impression. Now, there are usually 4 different kinds of slates. There's the regular one that I just showed you. There's also a slate with your hands. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. A slate with profile, and here's how you do it properly.
Hi, I'm Marissa Centrella.
Now you notice she pulled her hair back on either side. Here's how you do it wrong.
Hi, I'm Marissa Centrella.
And then there's the 360 slate, where you have to turn all the way around. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. Now, you saw how I did it there. Girls especially, but guys too, are self-conscious about the 360 slate. They think, oh gosh, well, they're looking at my entire body. Yeah, they want to see your entire body. And some people think, gee, I think my butt's too big. Maybe they want someone with a butt that's too big. Or maybe your butt's just right and you're just self-conscious about it. Either way, just turn at a normal speed. Don't get too fancy with it. Don't get too cute. Don't get self-conscious and don't do that. Just do it like you saw me do it. Please. Now, there's also a personality slate, but I'm going to do a whole separate video on the personality slate because it's a little more involved and a little more in-depth, and I'm going to elaborate a lot more on the personality slate, which is also super important. Now, here's what not to do.
Hi, I'm Marissa Centrella.
Okay, way too quiet. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. Too much attitude? Dude, really?
Hi, I'm Marissa Centrella.
Nervous. Too nervous. Seems green or new. Hey, my name's Dan Warner. Over the top, trying too hard. Take it down a bunch of notches. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. The eyes darting around, seems nervous, seems fidgety, seems amateurish, green. Hey, I'm Dan Warner. Completely distracted. Completely distracted.
Hey, Marissa Centrella.
Fast talker. Just too fast.
Hey, my name is Marissa Centrella. Ciao.
Accent? Okay, don't try an accent on the slate. You should just slate with your normal voice. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dan Warner. Trying too hard. Trying way too hard. Hey, I'm Dan Warner. Too cool. Just nobody cares. No one's hiring this guy. Look, the casting director, the client, the ad agency, and the director, they all have a problem, and they want you to solve their problem, hopefully. So that's what you're there to do. You're there to solve their problem. And the first step to solving their problem is doing a good slate with good energy so they know that they have a confident actor who on the day of is going to show up, hit their mark, know their lines, and be good and confident. Okay, so if you're unsure either how to slate or if you're not sure how your slating has been going thus far, here's my best piece of advice ever. And I've given this in other videos, and I will continue to give this advice because it's so powerful. Take your phone, take a camera, use your computer, use any sort of recording device, and film yourself, tape yourself giving your slate, and then watch it back. See what you did right, see what you did wrong, see how you can improve it. Tape yourself slating, and do it 8, 10, 15 times. So important. Especially if you have an audition that day or that week. If you slate a few times, then your slate's going to come off great. Now, if you're slating in front of people or you're slating, during a Zoom audition, you got one chance. So if you're rusty, tape yourself. Be ready. Your audition is the most important thing you have to do that day. Tape yourself, because you never know what that audition is going to lead to. It could lead to other things, bigger things, more money, a campaign, a life-changing audition, a life-changing commercial, a life-changing campaign will change your life. It did for me. It'll make you a ton of money and it'll change your life, and it starts with the slate. The slate starts the whole thing off. All right, so listen, if you have any questions about slating or anything actory related or on-camera related, ask me down in the comments below. I'm happy to answer any of your questions about slating or on-camera stuff. I'll be here all week, hanging out, just here in this box, in the YouTube box, just waiting for you to make a comment or ask me a question, and then I'll write you back. I'll be right here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to be right here, waiting. No questions yet. Okay, I'm going to just wait. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the acting tips, on-camera confidence tips, any of my tutorials for acting, my tutorials for on-camera work. I'm coming out with stuff every week for you guys, so hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Exactly how to do it. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. 80 films and television shows and done over 120 TV commercials. I've been go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tutorials, tips, or any of my acting. So you don't miss any of my acting. Jeez. Hi, my name's Dan Warner. I've been a full-time actor for over 20 years. I've done shows and Jeez Louise, I say this a million times. I've been teaching commercial acting workshop for over 7 years. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Yeah. All right. Jesus. Well, I've done over 7,000 steps today. Pretty good. Your slate is an introduction, and a lot of actors don't really pay too much attention to the slate. Now, skip over someone's entire audition is usually a good reason. Sweating. Some guys are self-conscious. I think my butt's too big. Well, maybe your butt is too big. Maybe they want someone. Maybe your butt's too big. I think I'm going to not leave that in.